Woke up in jumper dust, boots by the door, chai in a steel cup और मैं floor पे floor. You laugh in the backseat, wind through your hair. हम took the long road जैसे हमें था ना के. From Delhi to Delhi, from fields to the hill, मेरा दिल kept running and it runs there still. You said hold on tight as the first light came. मैंने kissed that promise, then I called your name. Take me home down that open road. Take me home जहाँ warm winds blow. India, India, सीधा into my bones. Take me home, I'm not alone. Saffron at sunrise, markets awake. Samosa order raindrums on a silver plate. You wore red bangles, a man wore my old pride. We danced in the puddle, side by side. From Delhi to Delhi, from fields to the hill, mera dil kept running and it runs there still. You said hold on tight as the first light came. Maine kissed that promise, then I called your name. Take me home down the open road. Take me home जहाँ warm winds blow. India, India, सीधा into my bones. Take me home, I'm not alone. Halftime on the last bend, palm trees in the breeze. Your hand in my hand, just a prayer in the tree. If the world gets heavy and the miles get long, may follow karun your voice like a favorite song.